Hi, hello. Nandito naman uli ako sa aming bahay. Dito na ako sa aking sariling Hardin. So, ito yun, Daddy. Hindi ko alam bakit siya may ganyan.
Ano? Nagkakaroon ng extensions.
Yeah, hindi ko alam.
So, these are leaf extensions sprouting off this Croton plant.
So, may mga bago na siya ulit. So, ito rin, may bago na siya. Ayun.
Oh, yeah, that's a new shoot.
Ito, medyo mabagal siya, pero may bago din siya.
Oh, yeah. There are also leaf extensions here at the ends.
Ba't kaya? Ano?
There, see? See that? And this one has also developed extra leaves at the ends.
Man, siguro ganyan sila sa umpisa.
So this is already rare from the start, and now it's become a lot more rare because of those leaf extensions. So crotons are very amazing plants. And we have another croton here. It's like a gold dust.
Pero may mga bago din siya.
Mm.
Nakakatuwa kasi lumalaki na sila. Dati naiinip ako eh. Pero ngayon, ito alam kung nakakatulong talaga si Miracle Grow. Ayan.
Oh, so many strange things are happening to our crotons.
You know.
It's a flower, right?
Siguro. Ganda na.
Hmm.
Yan. Tapos ito, may tumutubo sa ilalim. Ayun. Oh.
Oh, this is a baby croton. Look at this leaf. A baby croton.
Dalawa.
Do you think it's from the same plant?
Siguro, oo. Isa lang naman yung tinanim ko.
Yeah,
Wala naman
probably
akong
from the same plant.
tinanim na iba eh. Sensya na magulo. Kasi tinabakan ko sa terrace. Ito. Bago din.
Parang ano din, gold, ano yun tawag din? Gold dust croton.
Ayan. Bukod sa mayana, Croton yung isang gustong gusto ko. Kasi para siyang mayana, marami din siyang colors. So, magandang colors sa bahay.
Tsaka yung ano, yung vlogger na kapitbahay ni Certified Promly, si MJ na grandpa. Puro crotons yung specialization ng niya,
Sa garden niya, marami siyang crotons.
Ayan,
So, yun.
na-shoutout kay, tama ba MJ na grandpa?
MJ na grandpa, oo. Nung bumisita si Certified Promly sa kanya. Tunto ako, daming crotons.
Crotons.
Pero sabi, nagbebenta siya ng cuttings. Titingnan ko kung
Oo, cuttings
mag-avail
din.
ako ng
Oo.
kasi marami siyang crotons na hindi ko
Ay, ito
nakikita
pa pala.
dito.
May crotons.
Ah.
Ito, rare croton din to. May leaf extensions din. Oo nga, no. Lahat sila nagkaka-leaf extension, no. Hindi ma-focus. Ayun, no. So, maybe February is the month for crotons to form
Wala
leaf
pa tong
extensions.
bago. Ito isang rare
This
na.
one.
Wala
That's
pa.
your wavy croton.
Wala pa.
No extensions
Siya
yet.
yung matagal sabi kasi na pag rare nga mahirap.
And this is also a croton.
Dwarf daw to.
This is dwarf croton. Looks like bamboo grass.
Walang sun kaya hindi siya nag-yellow.
Ayun, may yellow doon.
Pero
It's
hindi
turning
talaga
yellow.
matingkad na yellow
dead.
kasi siya eh.
It is yellow, but it's dead.
Mamaya na cuttings ko. Napabayaan ko lately kasi nga
They're still alive.
dami kong ginagawa. Hindi siya pero ayan, ayoko siya mag-flower eh. Basta kasi ko na siya. Ako.
Ayun pa, may cuttings ka pa doon. Ayun pa.
Ayan. Ito nga tumaas na.
Oo nga.
Tumaas na yung cuttings.
That's a leggy cutting.
Ito din. Rare to.
And this cutting, I actually put this back in here, but I'm not sure if this is alive. I think it's still alive. Let me focus it. There you go. Might still have a chance. It's not 100% withered, so it might live.
Hala, ba't naputol siya? Siguro pagdala nila nung ano.
Oh no.
Putol.
That's a cutting that's been cut. This died. This is definitely dead. This one.
Yan yung ano.
This is so dry.
Oh.
I don't think anybody's been watering this.
Wala tayo ng 2 araw eh. Yung baba lang diniligan ni Lloyd, hindi niya diniligan tong taas. So, lagay ko muna yung naputol na cuttings dyan. Ayan.
So that's what's nice about coleus plants because they're easy to propagate. If you have a few stems that have been cut, just stick them into the soil and they'll grow. And even the leaves will grow given the chance.